Welcome back to Trekking Beyond. This time I'll be taking you on a hike to Grassi Lakes in Alberta, Canada. I hope you enjoy this beautiful and fun trip outside of the city. Just about 110 kilometers outside of Calgary, Grassi Lakes is located beside Canmore, Alberta, Canada, and is a perfect day trip if you are looking to get out of the city. The ride to Grassi Lakes has a very nice scenery with wildlife and a beautiful mountain backdrop. We decided to do the loop trail, which is about 4.3 kilometers long and good for all skill levels. Hiking shoes are also definitely recommended. At the time we went, there was a warning of a bear present in the area, so bring some bear spray and take precautions of your surroundings and the wildlife around you. The loop consists of an easy trail and a hard trail, which are clearly marked. This picturesque trail is very popular in Canmore, and as you hike up the trail through the lush forest, you will eventually come to the first lake. I was so amazed at the beautiful turquoise color of the lake and how crystal clear the water was. You can see right through to the bottom of the lake and be amazed of the beautiful colors it produces. A little further up is the second lake, which is just as beautiful. You will want to sit down and spend some time here, taking in the amazing scenery. I would recommend to bring a lunch as we did, and find a nice spot to relax and enjoy. We spent most of our time here taking in all of the nature and surroundings. As you proceed around the loop, you will notice it's a very popular spot for rock climbers. We chose the easy trail up and took the hard trail down, which is a bit of a harder hike with steep slopes and wooden stairs. When you take the more harder trail down, which is also the more scenic route, you will pass some lush forest, small streams, stunning views of Canmore and Bull Valley, and a beautiful waterfall. The waterfall is located off the beaten path, so take some precautions and use the trail at your own risk. Once you get to the waterfall, you can feel it showering down on you and cooling you down from the summer heat. You will be amazed at the scenery with the waterfall, forest, and mountain backdrop coming together in one beautiful picture. The Grassi Lakes hike is totally worth the drive outside of Calgary and is amazing to take during the summer. This was one of our favorite hikes we've done so far, and there is so much more to explore in the beautiful province of Alberta, Canada.